What if you hear coyotes? Did you have fun? What are you doing? No, no, no. Are you guys gonna camp?
Camping out.
Brody, can you show me the tent? Who's sleeping on the crack?
You can go in.
You?
Mama, you can go in. You can go in, Mama. Yeah, I'm going to sleep like that.
Show Mommy about the light.
Oh.
There's a light in here?
Yeah.
Wow. Are you ready to go to bed?
Yeah.
It's only 6 o'clock.
Mommy, look. My little guy just leave it in there.
Aw, that's cute. Do you think y'all are going to be warm enough in here?
Puppy said yes. Yeah, yeah.
What did you get?
I got my this, and I put other stuffies in it. So if I want to change my stuffy in the night, I can just get a different one out.
What if you hear coyotes?
They won't get in here because it'll be shut.
So if they go, "Arr, arr, arr, arr," are you going to be brave?
Yeah.
Do you think you'll make it the whole night in the tent with Daddy and Soso?
Yeah.
You're going to sleep the whole time?
Hey, Bird, if you want any, when you wake up in the night, you can just get one out. Is your pack? Yeah.
What? Scout?
Is
Is that what the coyotes are going to do?
What if that happens in the middle of the night?
I'll punch it.
Sawyer, do you think you're going to make it all night in the tent?
I'll try.
Is Scout going to be your guard dog?
Scout's gonna have to stay inside with you.
The girls are inside, Scout. You, me, and Jenny, and Aunt Lynn.
Yeah. All right, boys, listen up. All right. Now that we got Jenny, got a little sister, the girls, they do their thing, and the guys, we do our thing. And tonight, we're sleeping outside. You know why?
Why?
'Cause we're dudes.
What are you guys gonna do? You want me to make you popcorn and cookies?
Yeah! Yeah.
And maybe some gummies?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There you go, Sawyer. Take them with you to your camp out. Okay?
If I don't like them, I'll just...
Okay. I got an entirely new bag of these. Thanks to Gruens for sponsoring today's video. So not only do my kids absolutely love these, but I love them because they are full of nutrients and there is no added sugar. You guys know I'm doing kind of a high protein, low carb. Sugar is not something I'm trying to include in my daily diet, and so being able to get really delicious gummies like this, it actually feels like a treat. Now these support gut health, energy, immunity, loaded with vitamins, vegan, gluten-free, nut-free, dairy-free, no artificial colors or preservatives. It doesn't get better than that, folks. It's not just a multivitamin, this is a gummy / prebiotic. What I love specifically is that these are actually methylated vitamins. So really that's a fancy term for they're able to actually be absorbed by your body. These particular vitamins that taste delicious are also great for your gut health. That's a win-win right there. You guys can get up to 52% off. Just go ahead and click the link and it'll take you straight to their website. That'll balance out some of the sugar you're gonna have. All your vitamins and minerals. Okay, y'all ready? Okay, go outside and I'll bring you your popcorn in a little bit.
And our ice cream and our cookies.
Yeah, and eat your veggies in that little container. Okay, I'm on make them cookies and popcorn duty. I'm gonna link this thing because my mother-in-law got this for me. It's a way for you to make popcorn in the microwave, but you make your own popcorn. Whoops, like you melt your own butter and it's just so much better. Okay, let's bring some napkins and let's go deliver it. It's their first course. Cookies come out later. Hey, have fun. Okay, round 2.
What's that?
Do you see a shadow? Open up, Sesame.
It's ice cream, Soso. Ice cream.
The last course. Cookies. They're hot.
Hi, babe. Thank you.
They're hot, okay? There's fireflies out here. Can you wave goodbye? Sleep tight, I love you.
I love you, Mama.
Thank you so much to Gruens for sponsoring this night of sweets, for balancing out my kids' nutrition after their very fun camp out with Dad. I'll keep you guys posted with what happens in the morning. I don't know, are they all gonna make it? I mean, clearly they'll make it, but are they gonna make it through the night? Or will one of them end up in my bed? Hopefully it's not Tyler. Hopefully they all make it through the night. This is their first camping experience and it is so cute. I'm gonna go take a bath and go to bed early. Good morning. You guys did it. Did you have fun? What are you doing? No, no, no. Oh, you guys made it. Look at the view from your tent. Hey, bro, did you sleep the whole night in the tent? Wow. Pretty cool. Did you sleep at all?
I sleep the whole night in the tent.
Not really, but it was fun.
I sleep in the tent dreaming about baseball.
Thanks for following along our first camping trip. Well, I guess we should go on one that I actually attend, but you guys broke in the tent, so that's good.
Oh yeah.
Until next time.